Good morning, everybody. Yes, I just ordered my DJI Osmo Mobile 2 smartphone gimbal. I rented a DJI Osmo 4K. That was pretty good, but the startup time from off to on and then recording took really long. It was a good camera and it was really smooth. So after that, I actually got to rent the Osmo Mobile 1. That was a lot better experience because I can turn my camera on just by double tapping my power button and it comes on a lot faster. And I can use a DJI Go app, but if I just need it to be ready, just pull the trigger and turn the camera on and turn the gimbal on, it was good to go. So that was a lot more fun experience. It's only as good as your phone camera, but hey, my phone can shoot 4K and 1080p 60 and all that too and everything. And I did want to buy my own, but I never got around to it. I was about to. I was actually gonna buy a used one because it's cheaper. DJI then announced that they were releasing the Osmo Mobile 2 and it was gonna be hell of a lot cheaper. I think the old ones, I think the 4K Osmo was like 500 bucks, 600 bucks around there, something like that. The Osmo Mobile 1 was $299 brand new. This one, Osmo Mobile 2, is $129. You can't beat that. $129, $299, $500, $129. And it's supposed to be better. So I've been watching some videos about the Osmo Mobile 2 to help me make my decision on whether I was going to get it or not. And my favorite one was this video here by Jevin Dovey. I'm sorry, I hope I did not mispronounce that name. I probably did, but he did a pretty cool video on it. The specs about it, and then he went out and did a real world test. That's the kind of videos I like because I'm going to be using it in the real world. I want to see what it's going to do in the real world. So I'll also leave the link to his video down in the description box below if you want to check it out. And I placed my order last week, Wednesday. And if I paid rush shipping, then I would have gotten it on Friday, which would have been impressive. But the free shipping, I got it on Monday. And today is Monday. So hopefully after work, it's waiting for me at home.
Meanwhile,
The catch to ordering it this soon, Apple was going to have exclusive rights or exclusivity to sell the Osmo 2 first before anybody else. I wanted to buy through Best Buy because I usually like their warranty that you can put on the devices. Oh, and Apple actually does not put or offer any warranties on non-Apple branded products. If I waited till Best Buy had it, I would have had to wait till March 31st. Best Buy said they would be able to sell it, or so. I don't know if it was going to be in stores on March 31st. Definitely would not be available until March 31st, so I might have had to wait until April. But DJI does offer their warranty, DJI refresh for like on the Osmo if I ordered it from Apple.
6 hours later.
Alright guys, you can finally unbox this thing. It did come today. Nothing on the box showing that it's from Apple. Look at this thing. Look at this packaging. There's not much packaging, and there is one dead one. One dead package. But, well, hopefully it's not broken. Here's the Apple logo. Here is the DJI Osmo Mobile 2 box. You got it in landscape mode, and they're showing it in the all-new portrait mode for the Osmo. Pretty nice box. Looks like it is an Apple product. DJI is the Apple of the drone world, right? Alright, let's get to opening this. I don't even know how to cut it. I don't want to cut the box. It's so nice. Oh, is that open? No, it's not open. Can't seem to figure out how to open this box. Guess it goes this way. So first off, we got all the documentation. Well, the books, Osmo Mobile 2 guy is here to help. And we got different languages. Ooh, this is like what the Spark came in. Good job. Nice solid case. Ooh, oh wow, look. It's even etched in there. Osmo Mobile. Silica gel. Don't eat that. USB cord. It has DJI on it. Ooh, fancy. So first impression is it is actually a lot lighter than the old Osmo Mobile, the first one. No trigger. It's missing the trigger from the first one. That has now become the power and mode button to change it from front to back, and the different modes to lock it in or follow mode. We got the charging port, so if your phone is dying or any device is dying, you can plug your cable right into there and charge it. Battery life on this thing is supposed to be 15 hours, which can last a whole day at Disneyland. And then charge your phone. You got your joystick, so you can move the gimbal around, up, down, left, right. You got your record button and snapshot button. On the side here, you have your smooth zoom for your camera. So you can just hit that so you don't have to pinch. And then on the side here is your charging port. Your mount on the bottom here, so you can mount it to a tripod. So also on the back here, so you loosen this up, and here is where you loosen it, and you can turn it portrait or landscape mode. And to put in your phone, it's just spring type. And of course you have your adjustment here, so to balance your phone differently. One thing I do notice that this does not have a sensor here to tell the gimbal that there is a phone in here. So I could be wrong, maybe there's a sensor somewhere else, but I am not seeing it. Other than that, it is pretty similar but different at the same time. But I guess I gotta charge it up first. So let's do that. was all footage shot on my Note 8 on the Osmo Mobile 2. My honest opinion, I think that it is way easier to use than the 4K version. Possibly a little bit smoother than the Mobile 1. It didn't take long to get used to not having the trigger, but there were a few things that I did notice while shooting. One, while I'm shooting, you have to push the mode button to change it from follow mode to lock mode, but you got to do it a quick press, because if you hold it down just a split second too long like that, it doesn't change. So that messed me up in a couple shots. Gripe number 2, the spring-loaded camera mount, or the spring-loaded phone mount. With the old one, it had a knob, so when you turn the knob, it would open the grips up evenly. With this one, the springs are separate, so the phone can be offset really easy, and you got to sit there and fidget with it and balance the phone perfectly. So that takes a little bit longer than just turning the knob. Number 3 is probably the biggest to me, but DJI Go software. No 60 frames per second support for Android. What's up, DJI? Come on. But all in all, those weren't really deal breakers for me. I do kind of like the software. I did try filming both with the DJI Go app and just using the stock camera. I could use the 60 frames per second on my stock camera app, but I didn't have all the features like the active track. As you move, it just follows you. So I really like that. I did like the 3 lapse modes: time, hyper, and motion. Those are pretty fun to work with. The beginning of this video, I was just holding my phone in my hand, so you saw how shaky that was and how bad I am at holding the phone just in my hand. So it made a huge difference using the Osmo with my phone, getting footage. Even when I was running, it was super smooth. You know, they say having expensive camera equipment doesn't make a good video, but I tell you what, it's a lot easier and quicker to edit smoother footage. So if you want to see other reviews, like I said, I'll link Jevin's video down below in the description. But also, I do recommend watching iPhone Do's review on it. He's a super funny and really comprehensive tech reviewer. I'll also link his video below. So also in the description below, I'll leave the links to Apple's website where I ordered the Osmo from, and also DJI's website so you can get more information on the Osmo Mobile 2 itself. This is my first tech review, so if you liked the video, then give me a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below if you want to see more review videos like this. And you know I'll be using the Osmo in all my videos from now on. And also click here to see my Koolina video where I use the Osmo Mobile 2 and my DJI Spark to film. Click here to subscribe. Other than that, thanks for watching.